dust on camera. Ah, frick. It's freezing out. 58 degrees out here. Heat as hell out here. Woo! Woo! I don't know how long I can last out here. Oh, it's freezing, it's freezing, it's freezing. Oh, look. Holy shit. Oh, dear. Oh, God. Oh, lightning ward. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Allah. No. Ah! 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 It's getting windier! It's getting windier! Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, God. I gotta go. I gotta go. Nope, I gotta take shelter. Oh, crap. Holy crap. Holy crap! Ah! It's getting windy! Holy crap! That tree! That tree's getting destroyed! Oh my god! That's getting destroyed right there! It's freezing as hell! Oh my god! Ah! Oh shit! Oh god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! I'm starting to blow away! I'm starting to blow away! Nope, I'm getting down. I'm starting to get blown away. Oh, holy crap! It's bad. It's bad. That's bad. Oh! I can't move. I'm not trying to break the fence. The wind's blowing me. Wow. It's very windy. I'm starting to get blown away. Alright. That tree got destroyed over there. I caught it on camera. Looks like the wind died down for now. Bye guys. More on Joey the Gamer Chaser. Peace.